Stop. You are probably making English mistakes every day without even noticing. In this video, you'll discover 10 common English mistakes everyone makes and how to fix them instantly. Mistake number 1. Can I borrow you my book? Can I lend you my book? Using borrow instead of lend. Remember, you borrow from someone and you lend to someone. Mistake number 2. There are less cars on the road today. There are fewer cars on the road today. Using less with countable nouns. Use fewer instead for things you can count. Mistake 3. I am at the bus. I am on the bus. Prepositions of place. We say on the bus, in the car, and at the station. Mistake 4. I don't need no help. I don't need any help. Using double negatives. In English, two negatives make a positive, so avoid them. Mistake 5. Please bring this to your house. Please take this to your house. Confusing bring and take. Bring is toward the speaker. Take is away from the speaker. Mistake 6. She runs very quick. She runs very quickly. Using an adjective instead of an adverb. Quick is an adjective. Quickly is the adverb you need here. Mistake 7. I have lived here since 5 years. I have lived here for 5 years. Using since with a period of time. Use for with a period. Since with a point in time. Mistake 8. Whom is coming to the party? Who is coming to the party? Confusing who and whom. Use who as the subject of a sentence. Mistake 9. She brought out the topic in class. She brought up the topic in class. Using bring out instead of bring up. Bring up is correct when you mention a topic. Mistake 10. I do like pizza. I like pizza. Using do unnecessarily in affirmative sentences. Only use do for emphasis. So, how many mistakes did you make? Don't worry. Mistakes are part of learning. Subscribe for more easy English tips. And start speaking with confidence today.